Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to create a background image only with your iPhone and Instagram application. So to create a background image for the picture that you already have is so simple. First thing you have to do is just go open your photo library right here, and then you just need to find which photo that you want to change the backgrounds to. So let's say here I already have this object and I would like to change the background because it's like too not interesting at all. So the first thing that you have to do is just go click and hold the object that you want to get. So the iPhone has a cutout features for the picture, so you can like take the object from the whole photo by go click copy. And now you just need to go back to your home screen and visit and open the Instagram application, and make sure that you are staying in a story section. If you are in the home section, slide your screen into the right side until you got this story camera, and then here I will let to take the black background. So I will let to just take this picture, and I already got this black background, and I will let to draw the background by myself by using the draw features on Instagram story. And here I will let to use this brush and choosing the color, and here I start to doodling the screen. I also want to use another color, and another one. And after you're done creating your background, now the next thing we have to do, just go click done and click and hold again together your screen until there will be like a pop-up this paste option, and then you just need to go click it, and you got this object on the new background that you have been created. And now to download this picture, go click these three small dots and go click save. And now let's check into our photo library. How does it takes? This is the original one, and this is after you change the background. So that's the way how to change the background, or how to create a background image only with iPhone and Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.